aluminum heat sinks provide a greater range of natural convection solutions for high-power components and systems. Complex spring structures can be created by forcing raw aluminum through an extrusion die. These complex spring profiles allow greater heat dissipation through the increased surface area while eliminating the cost and time associated with machining an equivalent shape from block aluminum.
Aluminum support casting use structural aluminum profiles in a more conventional manner spanning between primary steel. This system can be flush-glazed or capped depending on architecture. These profiles are typically anodized, but for higher surface protection, they can be powder-coated. Glass can be monolithic, laminated, or insulated in any thickness, and many glass coatings and frit patterns are available.